We are looking for boiler. First, we go for a classification of boiler. As per this classification, we have mainly fire tube boiler and water tube boiler. Fire tube means inside tube, hot gas should flow surrounded by water. Just opposite case happen in case of water tube boiler. That is, water should flow inside tube surrounded by hot gas, or we call it flue gas. This is quadrant boiler. This is a vertical boiler, fire tube boiler. Mountings are mounted on the outer shell of the boiler. Some mountings are mounted inside the boiler shell. Mountings are provided to run the boiler. Purpose of mountings are control, safety and maintenance. There are total 8 mountings located just outside the shell and inside the shell. Likewise, we have water tube boiler over here, that is Babcock and Wilcox boiler. My dear students, this Babcock, Wilcox and Purchton boiler, these are the name of manufacturing company. This is not the name of inventor like say Pelton turbine, Francis Tabra turbine and Kaplan turbine. These names are inventor names, and here these names Babcock and Wilcox and Purchton, these are name of manufacturing company. So now dear students, let us move to this Babcock Wilcox boiler. I am just showing you working procedure, how it boiler works. So here there is a steam drum or water drum. Half portion of this drum is filled up, bottom half portion is filled up with water, and steam being lighter is accumulated in the upper half of the water drum. From this water drum or steam drum, through this lower header, or we call it downtake header, water comes inside, and here this is uptake header. Right? These tubes are called water tubes. Right now, through this trolley from outside, coal comes which is fed to furnace and it is burned over here. After burning, hot gases move in the upper direction. Right, so first movement of hot gas comes through this portion of water tubes gets heated. This is baffle plate, this is also baffle plate, or we call it baffles. This prevent this hot gas not to go directly to chimney, and therefore providing these two baffle plates, this portion of water tubes are properly utilizing heat of hot gas. After losing heat to this portion of water tubes, it goes to this superheater. Function of superheater to produce superheated steam to boiler, to steam turbine for producing more power. After losing heat to this superheater tube, it goes to this portion of water tubes. Again, there is another baffle plate arrangement given over here, so that proper heat will be utilized by this portion of water tubes. After losing heat to this portion, then again hot gas goes to remaining portion of water tubes, and then finally hot gas go through this regulating door and goes to chimney and then finally to atmosphere. So this is the working procedure of Babcock and Wilcox boiler. As far as mountings are concerned, these mountings are located over here. Like say this is spring loaded safety valve. This is safety valve, control valve to regulate mass flow rate of steam to steam turbine. This is your flow of cork. After running of this boiler, let us say for 1 month or 2 months, whatever sediment parts like say sand, slag particles, they are settled down, and through the opening of this cork, due to pressure of water and steam, these are allowed to go out. So this is even for cleaning of those sediments. Left side we have water level indicator. Yeah, this side we have water level indicated as a mountains. This indicates level of water. That level of water is very important parameter that has to be controlled at constant level. Likewise, other accessories or mountains given pressure gauge, safety valve. Yeah, so this is about your Babcock and Wilcox boiler. One thing more, it may be asked that why tubes are inclined. Of course, this inclination is 7 to 15 degrees centigrade. As you know, due to heating, the steam gets lighter. So for smooth running, that is from this portion to this portion, these tubes are inclined. So of course, this is called natural circulation. So that is your nothing but density difference. By heating, due to density difference being lighter, steam or hot water goes in the upper direction, and therefore tubes are inclined. Inclination is ranging from 7 to 15 degrees centigrade. 15 degree, that is from horizontal. So this is about your working procedure of Babcock and Wilcox boiler.